imong role. The mere fact that you are there, ikaw ang ilang nakita, pagsugod, pag-atar nila, pagkahibalo, unsaon ang pagbasa. Your presence, your being there, means very important and means a lot. It's beyond the salary that you are going to receive, right? Kaya kung ato pa tanang teacher, advisor, out of that 50 learners in school, dili niya makita ang kasmile ni teacher kung magsugod na siya pagtuon sa pagbasa. Asa niya nakita? Sa imo. Bisag kumot na kay ka, bisag ka kusiko na kay ka, ang imong ginanawa, pag ikaw na nag-edit lang sa video. Hindi mo na lang ipaagig pa iyo. And it means a lot to these learners who are in need. Not only on how to read, need of your love and affection. So this morning, for this 3 days time, natay pinakabata nga participant. How many? Ha? 2 weeks. Pila na yung edad karon, sir? Sir Guapo, naka-grade. Ha? Sir, ikaw, sir? 25. Pero napatay participant na 2 weeks. Kuman sa 3 days, ano yung matingali yung mama yung mag-sound na siya. Mag-sound kayo mga i-admit. So, I don't know, murag nakulbaan ko sa baga ni. Ako na lang baga ni ipapauli lang sa si ma'am, kaya ang atong linaw na ang bata, di po pwede niya mabiyaan. Sige, later on. So, going back, I want you to remember the 3 P's. P. Ano, very ko na pag-sound. Letter P ba? Papa. Papa. Letter P. Tulo. What is the first one? It? Patience? Ano pa? Passion. Ma'am, ibon, pinag-ingon ganina, ma'am. Patience, passion. Ano pa? Perseverance. Ano pa? Prayer. Pag-i-appeal, ginagawa prayer. Paglaom, prayer. P. And then, we need to include whatever. Whatever P. We need to include people. I want you to know, me, the Department of Education, of course, with the leadership of our SDS, Dr. Edelberto F. Oplinaria, with our ESDS, Ma'am Mary Ann Aliera, with the 2 chiefs from SGOD, we have Dr. Maria Teresa Absin, and from the CID, CID ko na belong, we have OIC, CID Chief, Ma'am Mary Grace Galiana. With your PSDSS, with your school heads, we really need people. People, the one that I've been mentioning, partners like you, we really need you. Your passion, your perseverance, your paglaom, your hope, but most of all, we need you, partners, the reading assistants, the reading teachers. Meaning, we need our learners. All these things, wala me kung wala tayong mga bata. Wala mo kung wala ang atong mga bata nga tudluan. Kay kung reader na ang atong mga bata tanan, dili na po may mag-hire sa inyo. Dili na ta magkita. Ay nga na maday mo kagwapo. O kagwapa. See? Partners, people. Your school heads. Your PSDSS. The people around us. Our resource speakers. To facilitate and to discuss important details on how to teach beginning reader. We need our technical working group. We need each one of you. Because of this nationwide, worldwide problem. So more than that, no? Nagkita ta karon. It's not a coincidence, but there's a reason why you are here. The more para sa atong mga bata, they need you. Teacher, name. Nikki, asa nga school teacher Nikki. Pampangon Elementary School, wala ko kaanhan di asa nga district. Talisayan, Pampangon. Mga bata sa Pampangon really needs you, teacher Nikki. Dili na mo maabutanan. Dili na ako maabutanan as EPS, at the same time reading focal. That's the essence why you are here. It's more than the 9,000 that you are going to receive. I don't know kung kasi sa practice. That's the first P, your presence, your being here, and your passion and mission and the hope that you can share. The second P, sa itong second P, we need you to be prepared. We need you to plan ahead for the existence or for the existing problem sa atong mga bata. P for preparation, P for planning. One of the preparations, part of this planning, is to equip you on how to teach beginning reading. Ma'am, kung sa pag-equip, ma'am, nga, nasugod na magod mi, ma'am, pila na good mi ka man sa ano, ma'am. Sige, hindi ka equip, enhance you. Ma'am, ayan pagid ko, ma'am, at to pagid ko last week nakasugod. So meaning, capacitate you on how to teach beginning reading. It's because they said, it's continuous process. Nagsugod na ka, nagpabasa na ka, gitawag na nimo ang imong mga bata. Sige, ma'am, wala ko gatawag, ma'am. Di paanha lang na sa advisor sa ako niya. Nakita na din ni ma'am niya. Nangutana ra ko din ko, ma'am niya. Ako kung gikuha tong giingon nga, marong ko magmula to, ma'am. Nagaabay po mi, nagbasa-basa na po mi. Ako po silang ipaminaw. Is that enough? No. Sige lang, pasailong ta lang mo kay wala pa man taad ko nag-training. Pero karon, after training, with our speakers at the back, with our technical working group, and with the team, with this team, dili namin, maingon. Pasailokon. Ano? Ano man, equip naman ta. Ato naman yung gihisgutan. Inyo naman yung tanawon karon kung sige pa maagi. Sige, okay na lang to, katin yung gihimo. Nagpabasa